Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to delete or archive Loom videos. Here are the steps to delete or archive Loom videos. The first thing to do is to launch the Loom desktop app or go to the Loom website at loom.com and log into your account. So if you're launching a desktop app, just go ahead and click on Home, and that's going to take you to your Loom home, which we have here. So I'm gonna go all X on this, and we're here. Now on the Loom homepage, navigate to your video library where all your recorded and uploaded videos are stored. So click on My Library from the left navigation panel, and that's going to take you to where all your videos are stored. Now on the website, you'll find a lot of videos in here, which we have videos. So you have videos, you have archive, and you have screenshots. So find the video that you want to delete or archive. Let's say we're going for this. Now once you're on the video page or you have selected the multiple videos that you want, just go ahead and click on this more actions. So find the more actions option, and of course it's usually located at the right side of the video title or on the top right of the video interface. And once you click on that, you're going to see additional options. Now from these additional options, you see share, you see rename, move, duplicate, archive, download video, and delete. Now to delete the video, all you need to do is to select delete option from this menu, and that's just going to be it. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you're sure you want to delete the video permanently. Now select permanently delete, and that video will be permanently deleted. So to archive a video, head over to the more actions again, and you see the option that says archive. Now select archive, and once you click on archive, you'll see that this will move the video to the archive video sections where it will be stored but not deleted. Now, archived videos can still be accessed from the archive folder in your video library. Just go ahead and click on archive, and you see that video that you archived. So you can restore archived video at any time by selecting the video and clicking restore. So more options, and click on archive, and that's it. So by following the steps, you can easily manage your Loom videos by either deleting or archiving them based on your needs. Now go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you are done, you will be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.